Do you mind sharing with us? Earlier you had said any kid who grows up playing football's dream is to obviously be in the NFL. What are your football goals?
Yeah. So when I first got to college, actually, I didn't have, my goals were, like, I kind of dropped my goals. Like, I just was always, when I first got to college, I was like, oh yeah, I just want to be like an attorney or something.
Mm-hmm.
And then these past few years, and it's like where my mindset has really changed in these past 2 years. And now I definitely want to play in the NFL again, and especially seeing like people above me or the guys I've been close to go to the NFL. It's eye opening. It's like, you know, if you really put your mind to it, if you really put the work in, you can do it. And especially, it's been weird for me seeing like, because every safety since I've been here that started, because I haven't played at safety yet.
Okay.
So I'm hoping I can start the next 2 years at safety. But all the starters who played above me since I've been there have all gone to the NFL. So,
really?
Yeah, Chase Hansen, and Marquise Blair, Corian Ballard, and then just this last year we had Julian Blackman and Terrell Burgess who got drafted in the second and third round.
No way.
So it's like every safety who's played before me has gone to the NFL. So it's like eye opening, and at the same time it's like, man, you can really do this if you just put in the work and put your mind to it. And those are guys who've been a big influence in me. So yeah, I definitely would like to play in the NFL, but my goal right now is just to have a season.
Yeah, exactly.
Be ready for the season.
Just to have a season, seriously.
Yeah, that's all I'm thinking about right now, really.
Wonderful. All right, so we are at the end of our show. We got about 45 seconds left, but I want to ask you this last question. Any tips for the young kids out there who are playing junior high, high school ball that want to follow the path that you did, play for a bigger school?
Mm-hmm. I mean, if you want to play for a big time school, like, you just got to reach out to as many coaches as possible. You know, I mean, being somebody who wasn't recruited, I was sending messages out to whoever. I didn't care if it was a school. I didn't care who the school was. I was sending emails to USC, Alabama, Washington. I didn't care. I was just hoping these coaches would read it, watch my film, and like me. So, I mean, really my advice would just be listen to your high school coaches or your little league coaches, because they know what's best for you.
Yeah.
And just keep working, do your thing, and one day you'll get there.
Wonderful. Excellent. Well, thank you so much, Stone, for joining me today. I really appreciate you sharing on the show.
Yeah. Thank you for having me. It was fun.
Yeah, awesome. All right, and I hope everybody else has a spectacular rest of the day.